Okay, my problem is I drink too much, way too much.
Yeah.
I got my doctor a urine specimen. There was an olive in it.
What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Friar Pop Show. We got the poor man's Pappy. Check that out. You know who that is. Rodney. Rodney Dangerfield. So, that is awesome. I made this myself. And if you don't know what poor man's Pappy is, it's a sort of emulation of Pappy Van Winkle. One of the unicorns in the bourbon world. So, what it's made with is Weller Antique. So this is wheated bourbon. This is part of what goes into it. This is 60%. So you can see the back here. A little bit of a story on the back here. So, true whiskey pioneer, W.L. Weller is credited with by many for being the first to produce Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey using wheat instead of rye in his mash bill. So, very nice. This has a sweet, bold flavor with floral notes and vanilla. So this is a Buffalo Trace product. So, yeah, let's check this out. Frankfort, Kentucky. And the other part that goes into this, see it's almost gone, is Weller 12. So this was actually a mail order, but you can sort of see, I think that's probably not in English. Oh, it is. So, some additional reading material there. Very nice. So we're going to try those. Came in this, oops, sorry. Came in this fancy smancy box. Aged 12 years. And if you didn't notice, this is actually sort of messed up. It's only 700 mil. Because it's French. So, if you know French, I need the translation. So, anyway, moving on. Let's try these. So, I had a busy day today. After work, I went to the gym and sat in the sauna for a little bit, about an hour, in the hot tub for about a half hour. So I feel like Jello now. But it feels good. Hurt my shoulder. And it doesn't feel very good. So definitely needed to relax. But anyway, we'll start off with the Weller 12. Take a little sniff. Ooh, it smells so good. There's also something funky about it, though. Like, for some reason, like, right off the bat, I got, like, apple. But I'm also getting, like, definitely a lot of ethanol. Getting too far down in there. Give it a little swirl. Haven't had anything to drink today, so I'll have to get the palate going. Wow. Let's take a sip and come back to the nose. Get some legs. Oof. If I cannot drink bourbon and smoke cigars in heaven, then I shall not go. Mark Twain. It's getting all streaky in there. It's got some legs. Lots of caramel, vanilla, oak. I love the wheat, the sweetness, the smoothness. I'll say the finish is sort of quick. Or at least it transitions quick. Because now it is actually sort of coming back. It is lingering. I thought it was going away for a minute. Tastes some like raisin. A little bit of leather, I feel like. Some floral notes in there. It's a harder one for me, but it's good. It's some good stuff. So, let me know what y'all think about the Weller 12 in the comments below. If you pick up any other notes, or if you like it or don't, or so the next thing, go back to the Antique 107. Try some of this. But, okay, so we got to rate the Weller 12. So, Weller 12. I'm going to give it, for me, no, I don't hate this. You guys might hate this. I'm going to give it a 3.8. And here's why. For me, I like something a little bit more unique. And, but this is classic. I mean, very classic, very good. Can't complain. If you can find a bottle, pick it up. Highly recommend. Definitely above average. So, now, onto the Weller. The Blanton's cup. Give it a little swirl. Good color. Look at that color. Wow. Oh yeah, we get some legs. She got legs. There you can sort of see them there. So that's all the flavors. Fatty acids, oils, sticking. See, the nose on these, I just don't love the nose on either of these. There's just like something a little bit unpleasant. I don't know. I mean, these have not been open more than, not even 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So. Yeah. Definitely getting floral notes. Vanilla coming through on the finish. Again, getting caramel. Less oaky. Much less oaky, I think, than the other. And actually, I think I prefer the Antique 107, to be honest. Has a little more spice, I think. A little more spice in it. A little more tingle on the finish. It's a little more rough around the edges, though. That's for sure. So, I'm going to give it a final rating. And I'm going to give the Weller Antique 107 a 3.9 out of 5. So let me know what you think about that. How, where it falls in your range, on your palate. I know everyone's different. I'm not an expert, but just know what hits me. Some days, things hit different too. So you never know. I try to come back to it. These have been open a little bit. I even made the concoction of the poor man's Pappy. So I don't actually want to open that, but so we'll just make one of our own. I don't want to open that. I sealed it up with some wax, some sealant wax, and yeah, we'll see. Might give it as a gift or something someday, or we'll see what happens. But found that on Etsy. If you ever want one, they have Bill Murray as well. A couple different bottles, or you can just get like the stickers and slap a sticker over the front of this for much cheaper, which sort of seemed pretty sweet. So anyway, time to move on. Nice clean cup. Jack Daniels. So I actually got some of each of these left. So I'm going to make a poor man's Pappy, which is 60-40. So we're just going to eyeball it. Set these both down, get a good... They're actually about equal. So I'm just going to pour in all of the Antique 107 and most... a little bit left in there of the 12. Give it a little swirl. Ooh, look at that. Look at that puppy. The poor man's Pappy, folks. Getting excited just thinking about it. The pinnacle of the peasantry. That's what you got to do with it, folks. You can get both and mix them. That's what you want to do. Because the nose already, like... I didn't like the nose on either of those individually. And this is just, like, already just transformed. Fruity. Floral. Again. It's coming through different. It could be this cup, too. This is not the Glencairn. So maybe that's what it is. It's got a little more volume. I'm not getting as much ethanol. Like, I was getting so much just something unpleasant on those. So. Guess it's not a fair contest. Yep. Oh, yeah. It's much more balanced. Oh, man. Spicy. Fruity. Vanilla. Tasting like cake. Peach, almost. Get a little peach hit there. Yeah, that's so good, folks. Try it. You gotta try it. If you haven't had the poor man's Pappy, if you can find the Weller 12 and the Antique 107, Save you some money. People say it tastes very identical. Or very close to the Pappy Van Winkle. Which, look up the price on that if you don't know. I got Pappy Van Winkle, we'll just say 15 here. Yep. I don't have much more to say about this other than it's delicious. So, yeah. Got me a bottle to spare. Let to break that on a special occasion. So, now you know how to make yourself some poor man's Pappy. And, highly recommend it. Let's give it a rating now. 1 bite, everyone knows the rules. 1 chew. Dude, that's what mine is. 1 chew, and everyone knows the rules. El Presidente. This is just so smooth and delicious. Because mixing it cut back on that oak from the 12-year. No more bright. Just keep it it's hitting me with that juice. Nice juicy finish. So, yeah, let's rate it. This might be the highest rated thing I've done on my channel so far. I'm going to give it a 4.1 out of 5. So, cheers, folks. Let me know what you think about Poor Man Pappy. If I mixed it wrong or who knows. But, again, I'm no expert. Just love to talk, hang out with y'all, and love to hear your feedback and opinions. So let me know if you have any video ideas. And hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourself. God bless you. And always drink responsibly. Make sure you have fun, but always plan ahead. Get a DD or an Uber if you plan on drinking a couple. So take care, folks. Love you. Bye.
I tell you, folks, with me, nothing comes easy. You know, I can't lose any weight. I tried jogging. I keep running into restaurants. I was so fat when I got my shoes shone, I had to take the guy's word for it. I mean, I was fat, I'll tell you that. Doctors say all kinds of exercise is great. You burn up energy, you lose calories. I mean, in fact, doctors say when a man makes love to a woman, he burns up energy, he loses 150 calories. I made love to a girl once and lost even more. I lost 150 calories, my watch, and my wallet.